Hello, dear students. So, here I am with the set of MCQs that I've talked about on the chapter The Portrait of a Lady by Kushwant Singh. So, without further ado, let us begin the first question. The phrase telling beads in the chapter means, and the options are counting, option B, talking to beads. So, the correct option for this would be option number A, that is counting. And remember, who used to tell the beads in the chapter? The grandmother. Remember, author's grandmother. Next question. In the village, grandmother fed the, and options are dogs, sparrow. You might tend to get confused here, but the correct option would be dogs. Remember, in the village, grandmother used to feed the stray dogs with stale chapatis. Question number 3. The Portrait of a Lady is written by, options are R.K. Narayan, option B, Kushwant Singh. So the correct option would be option number A, that is Kushwant Singh. Question number 4. The grandmother was dash when the author went abroad. So how did she react, grandmother? Option A, she was sad. Option B, she was not even sentimental. So the correct option for this would be option B, not even sentimental. So that is the reason why grandmother, we say that she was a very strong lady, strong character. Okay, why? Because she did not show her emotions. She was able to control herself. So that is very important. Remember. Question number 5. In the city, grandmother fed, option A, sparrows, option B, dogs. So this is very easy. In the village, if it was dog, then in the city it has to be sparrows. Grandmother hated music because she did not know how to sing. Option B, because she thought it was not meant for gentle folk. So the obvious answer would be she thought it was not meant for the gentle people or gentle folk, right? Option number B. What did the author eat for breakfast? Now, these are the minute details that you got to remember in terms of your MCQ. Okay, they can ask you anything, so you got to remember and read the chapter thoroughly or the lesson thoroughly so as to get the MCQs correct. So the options are thick stale chapatis, option B, rice and curd. So the correct option would be, I guess all of you know, thick stale chapatis or the leftover chapatis. Remember. Question number 8. The word snapped means broken small pieces. So the correct option for snapped would be broken. Now, how is this word used in the chapter? This word is used to describe the relationship between the author and the grandmother. Their relationship got snapped when they went to the city. Question number 9. The grandmother was short and dash. Options are fat, option B, thin. So the correct option would be fat. Remember. Question number 10. The author describes dash phases of the relationship with his grandmother. And the options are 3, 4. So the correct option would be 3. Whose picture is hung above the mantelpiece? Option A, grandfather. Option A, grandmother. Option B, grandfather. So the correct option would be grandfather. Question number 12. What was the turning point? What was the turning point in the relationship between the author and the grandmother? Option A, when they went to the city. Option B, when the author went to the university. So the correct option would be when they went to the city. Question number 13. Music was taught in the dash school. Option A, village school. Option B, city school. So the correct option would be city school. Question number 14. For how many years did the author go abroad? So कितने सालों के लिए वे गए थे? तो option should be 5, 3. So he went for how many years? 5 years. The word seclusion means option A, loneliness, option B, happiness. So the correct option, loneliness. And who led this kind of life? Grandmother. When she was in the city, she was secluded, she was alone. Question number 16. Inaudible in relation means options are which can be heard, option B which cannot be heard. So the correct option would be which cannot be heard. So these are some important MCQs. Please go through it. Happy learning.